So in this Google Docs video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to add extensions to your documents here on Google Docs. So if I were to go ahead and just type in add extensions here, so I don't remember, or sorry, extensions. So don't forget what I'm talking about here. Go to the top left, press extensions right here. Go ahead and press add-on right here, and then go ahead and press this. This will redirect you to a new screen. I'll do that right now. It'll then bring up this page right here where you can go ahead and search up on the Google Workplace Market a bunch of different, I guess, things you can install here. So if you want to connect Miro or Mail Merge, Salesforce, Loom, etc., you can also scroll down, do a bunch of different other ones right here. Any of these look good, go ahead and press install, for example, this way. And you can go ahead and add these to your document here. So it's actually pretty cool, but that's how you guys get the point of it. Just go ahead, select the one that you want to install, and then integrate it that way. So if I were to go back here and go to extensions, you can also go to app script like this if you have app script, or you can just go ahead and manage your add-ons right here if you document add-ons and just kind of proceed that way. But that's how you guys can add extensions to your document here on Google Docs. Thanks again for watching and hope this helps.